Big Al RC.
How's it going, everybody? Here it is, the Recoil 2 Shreddy edition by
ProBoat.
Alright, first off, here's the boat, here's the inside. That's the stock ProBoat servo there. And there's the battery holder. You might want to put some Velcro down on that. Here's the 3200 milliamp battery that comes with it, 3S. Here's the ESC. It is water cooled, and the motor plate is water cooled as well. So yeah, it looks like a pretty cool boat here, and I'm excited to go try it out. Let's go. All right, everybody. It's kind of loud out here, but here we go. First run, Recoil 2 Shreddy, all stock right out of the box. Some wakes here. Oh yeah. It's actually my first boat. I had the Blackjack 9 just for the pool. Old Blackjack. Oh, right off the bat. Wow, that sucks. Okay then. And we'll be back. All right. All the plants are gone. Gonna go full throttle now. Mess with the throttle trim, or the steering trim, a little bit. Ow! Man, this thing is great. Me, besides hitting my leg, I mean, it's pretty fun. Okay, I do want to try one thing. I think it's this button here. I'm going to try that self-riding. Oh! No! Well, that was dumb. Oh! Got some Sea-Doos coming up here. I do want to try this self-riding thing again, just to show you guys. See, it flips around this way. There it is. Let's wait for these Sea-Doos to go by. Oh! Oh! Now we can try the self-riding out. There it is. Well, for my first boat, I say this thing is pretty fun. You know, I do all cars and racing on my channel, but this is my first boat here, and it's pretty awesome. Full throttle. Now this is stock 3S battery. It's all stock. Ooh. Full throttle again. I mean, it handles this windy. It's kind of rough out here right now, but it handles like a dream. A lot of fun. This boat is rad and it runs great. Say it's a pretty good experience for my first boat. I was thinking about getting the Sonic Wake, but ultimately I went with this one because you only need one battery and it's my first boat, so I figured I'd start with something a little smaller, and if I want to get something later, I'll maybe get the Sonic Wake or something else, ProBoat. You can tell the battery's starting to die off just a little bit. The LiPo cutoff will kick in, and then that'll be the end of it. Oh! Another Sea-Doo coming in close. This has pretty good run time, actually. And there it is. Lipo cutoff, guys. All right, so this boat is pretty fun. I would highly recommend it. And go pick one up. It's the Recoil 2 ProBoat Shreddy edition. A lot of fun. I wanted to look at the bottom of this. I know I ran it aground. Oh yeah, one little scratch on it. I don't know if you could see that. Really not that bad though. When you just be careful when you press the self-right button that you're not aimed at a dock or the shore or yourself, because it guns it to rewrite the boat. But other than that, fun little boat. They are $369.99 now, and I know it's a year old, but I didn't get it last year, and I've been eyeing it for a while, and finally pulled the trigger on it, and give you guys a little different boat video instead of some cars. But all right, thanks for watching, everybody. Go like and subscribe to my channel, and check out all my other channels down below, and hope you have a good one. Big Al RC out.
That's still Alec Bauer on the point, coming up on traffic. 57 wide. Thank you very much.
Like and subscribe.
This has been a Big Al's presentation.